Hello and welcome to the Complete Mobile Technology course by Eduonics. My name is Brad Traversy and I'll be your instructor for this course. So before we get started, just a little bit about myself. I've been doing web development for about 12 years or so. I've been teaching courses like this for around the last 4 years. I specialize in JavaScript among other languages, and I do both front and back-end development. I also have dozens of courses available at eduonics.com in case you wanted to check those out. Alright, so this course will teach you how to build mobile applications using only web technologies. We'll use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript along with 5 different frameworks for building mobile web apps, also hybrid apps, and even native apps with React Native. So we'll have 5 different sections and 5 complete projects in each section, giving you a total of 25 projects altogether. So we'll be using a few different web and mobile technologies. The first section will be using PhoneGap and Cordova. These are used to basically take any HTML, CSS, and JavaScript app and turn it into a hybrid mobile app that can actually be installed on your device. Okay, so we'll have 5 projects using PhoneGap and Cordova. Next, we'll be working with Ionic and Ionic 2, which is an HTML5 framework for creating mobile apps. It uses Angular and Angular 2 as well, so we'll be using that too. Then we'll use jQuery Mobile for 5 projects, and jQuery Mobile is just that, jQuery for mobile devices, and it includes some extra bells and whistles to deal with things like Ajax navigation, touch events, and more. Okay, React Native will allow us to build complete native apps using the React library and code similar to a web app. And then finally, Meteor, or Meteor.js, is a full-stack framework that can be used to build both web and mobile applications. So these are the 5 basic technologies we'll be using, but we'll be using a lot of different stuff in addition to this, including frameworks like Bootstrap and Foundation, MongoDB, Firebase, and a lot more. And this is a quick glimpse at the projects that we'll be completing in this course. You can see there's 5 different projects in 5 different categories or technologies. So this course is just completely packed with information. Alright, so that's a very brief introduction. Now we're going to jump in and start to learn how to create mobile apps.